So there's Mama Lona wearing the huge door knocker earrings. They are blinged out. I ran out of rhinestones, so I didn't finish the top and I didn't finish the back of this one. So those are gorgeous. This one has both the back and the front done, except for the top there. So what I did with these is I painted them first and then I blinged them out. These go with the red heart that was so blingy. So there's my girl with hot door knockers. And see this side. They really, really sparkle. Oh, I have to get the earring in right. So I have her in my son's room. She's just wearing these little necklaces. I wanted to see what putting some, oh, that's his change, some necklaces on her would look like. So that's about it. And there's Houdini in the forbidden bed. There, I thought he was gonna tear up the bed. He likes to tear up the bed. What? What? Tear up the bed. Go to bed. Go to bed, puppy. Go to bed. Hmm? Hello? Hello, mama. Chiki, chiki, chiki. He likes to headbutt. He likes to be petted like this because I'm a baby. I'm a little baby. I'm your baby, mama. I'm your baby. Putu, 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 putu. No? Oh, he's trying to. There he goes. I knew I would catch him doing it. He does that and then he pushes all the blankets into the center. I love you, mama. I love you, mama. And he makes a nest. Wow, it's cold in here. Kitty. Kitty boy. Kitty boy. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. He's gonna do it. He's gonna do it. Nah. He's too excited because he's not allowed in here. My son's allergic to cat. Ow. Ow, 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 ow. So this room is cat free. My son's bed is not made because he had to leave like 5:30 this morning. He takes out the dumpsters. He should be back a little bit. Anyway, so this is Houdini in the forbidden zone. Na 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 na. Doing the lambada. Ow. He's such a licker and biter. Okay, guy, let's go. Come on. Come on. Say bye. Houdini, bye.